Welcome! If you've been wondering how to easily copy your Telegram username using Telegram Web on your computer, this video has you covered. Telegram recently updated its web interface, making it quicker and cleaner to access your personal details, especially your username. So, let's go through the simple steps together. First, open your preferred web browser and head to the official Telegram webpage. Once you're there, sign into your account using your phone number or QR code. After logging in, you'll see your regular chat list just like on the mobile app. Now, take a look at the top left corner of your screen. You'll notice 3 small dots stacked vertically. This is the main options menu. Click on those 3 dots to open a drop-down of settings and account options. From that menu, select Settings. This section gives you access to your privacy preferences, notifications, display setup, and of course, your personal information. Once inside, you'll see your profile details displayed clearly, including your name, phone number, and username. Next, click on your username. Telegram will open a small editing field where your unique username appears with an @ symbol right before it. Simply highlight your username using your mouse or keyboard shortcut. Ctrl+C if you're on Windows or Command+C if you're on Mac. And that's it. Your Telegram username is now copied to your clipboard.